that's awesome. That's Tom Hanks, the character in the movie.
Yeah. The color.
This is the Polar Express.
So Dad stopped at the hobby shop one day, and we normally play with HO scale trains on the layout, which I think are actually, yeah, they're a lot of fun, which HO means half of O scale. Hi, dog. Dad picked up at the hobby shop from Lionel. It's the O scale, or O gauge, sometimes it's referred to, the 15th anniversary Polar Express.
Wow. We've seen the movie of that trip.
Yeah, we've watched the movie plenty of times. So,
What's this?
what I've come to notice is that Lionel, they put everything in the plastic. But what I've come to notice is that some of the controls on the smaller trains are actually a little bit complicated for Evan. And then little girl, she can't quite play with those smaller trains yet.
Right.
Plus the layout is too high. So Dad's thinking that for Christmas, I know it's early, but when we put up our Christmas tree, this is gonna go underneath the tree. And I think you guys will be able, you'll actually enjoy the Lion Chief control system that comes with this train. It's a little bit simpler, and I think it'll be easier. So this is the 15th anniversary, which means that the cars have a little bit more of a metallic finish, and the engine is a nice Berkshire. It's number 1225, just like in the movie. And I think it actually has a gloss finish, so it's a little different.
Exactly like the one in the movie.
Yeah, so we're going to take our time opening this. Dad kind of would like to expand into this scale a little bit more. We're still going to stick with HO scale, but I think for you and your sister playing supervised, this is a nice durable toy. So it's a high quality. So we purchased one of Lionel's ready to play sets.
For under the tree.
Yeah, for under the tree, which is basically about $100 train set. And that, it's nice, but it doesn't, the sound never shuts off when you're using it. Okay?
This one's a little bit of a nicer quality one.
Jingle bells. Okay, we're gonna put this away for a little bit, okay, little girl? Okay, so let's have a look at our cars. So that's our beautiful engine. I actually didn't think I was going to like that gloss paint job, but it's very beautiful. So the switches are back here. That turns on your smoke unit. Don't operate the unit without smoke fluid. And it gives you a little bottle. And then your sound effects can be turned off by this switch here. So that's kind of nice. The other ready to play train that we have, you don't have the option to turn off the sound. So it's just running. So these are beautiful. It's a nice metallic finish. And you look at it, there's all the silhouettes.
Those are the train cars.
Yeah, just like in the movie when they were running on the train car. And look at all the silhouettes. There's your main character. Of all the characters are on that. And it's just a beautiful, nice metallic finish on that. I didn't think I was going to like that, but I actually really, really like it.
It's pretty.
Watch the movie.
The Polar Express. All aboard.
So we're going to put this on the observation card. Evan does a really nice job of playing with these toys.
You see, Daddy?
Yeah. Looks like it just snaps on the back there.
Pretty easy to assemble.
Yeah, pretty easy to assemble, I think.
Daddy, I see you on the window.
You probably want to tape this on there because it goes on
I
kind
see
of
one
loosely.
there.
There's your observation car. See, and there's the main character in the back there. Pretty cool. And then we have the little guys. You can put on the cars or whatever. They're pretty nice.
This is fun.
Yeah, and then inside of here is all of our track.
Look, these boxes.
Everything is just packaged. Want to hear a secret?
Packaging.
Dad doesn't like it. Dad is just tired of packaging in his life.
Boxes and plastic.
So I've never put this style of track together before. So let's see how it goes.
They just kind of like pop in.
There you go. Yeah, so it just kind of pops together. Use countersunk screws, and you can secure this to a wood base if you wanted to.
Nice. Easy enough to put together.
Yeah, easy enough to put together. I don't think a kid could put this track together. So you need a little bit of adult strength and lining things up. Maybe a little bit older kid. So the kids are going to be able to play with this supervised.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this track actually seems like it's really sturdy. Like once you actually have it together, it takes a little bit of work. It takes a little bit of work, but I think once you actually have it together, it's not going to come apart. So one thing with the plastic track, notice that it does kind of come apart fairly easily.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but this, I believe that they call it fast track.
Yeah, the controller's easy enough to use. Looks like there's only 3 buttons in there and then a knob on the top.
Yeah, and I believe the sounds are different when the train's just sitting from when it's running.
Oh, okay. That could be cool. You excited?
Yes, I haven't quite read it yet. But I believe that it's either an expansion port or it's for a transformer, you know?
Okay.
So you could actually control it with just a transformer. Like the Lion Chief system, we're gonna see all about that in a little bit. And I think you could make some mistakes putting this track together. You just take your time, line it all up.
Make sure it's all snug.
It's snug. It's a tight fit.
Nice.
Did it. Mommy, can I see me?
Hi.
Make sure I didn't pull anything else apart. See, we got
Oh, I saw
power.
a spark.
Dad doesn't have the controller set up yet, so we'll start with the tender and the cars. So this coupler system is a little different. It'll actually kind of flip open by pulling that little lever. See? You see, buddy? Yeah. You push down on the lever and the coupler opens. And then it'll close back up. Okay? So the observation car is going to go to the back. So that's
Oh,
the
it lights
observation
up.
car. Yeah, the
It
cars are
lights
lighted.
up.
Is that cool?
Yeah, look at it. So you can see the shadows.
Dad's going to do it,
Let's
okay?
just watch Daddy putting it together.
You'll be able to play with it.
Play with it.
Yeah.
Okay, and they just kind of snap together.
Play with it.
All your silhouettes in there.
Look at all
There's all your characters.
Hi, you guys.
Ah, yeah.
You can put the guys on there.
Yeah, and there are
That is
additional
so
cars
cool.
that you can buy with this. That you-
Wow.
so with Lionel,
Open the door shut.
you know, we don't have any Lionel stuff other than the ready to play. Most all of our stuff's HO. Like if I want lights in the cars, I need to add that. So this is
Yeah.
just another bit of Americana, just the way Lionel does things. And I think Lionel also offers stuff that, yeah, so you gotta be real careful. You feel how heavy that is?
That one's
Yeah.
heavy.
That's a heavy object, heavy toy. All right, so we're gonna make sure everything is on there.
Wait, the light is actually working.
Yeah, the light's on.
It's so cool, isn't it?
We'll plug our tender in. So there's actually electrical contacts there. So do you hear that chirping?
Yeah.
It's looking for that controller.
Oh.
Okay, so Dad has to get batteries in the controller. and I'm going to take a little bit of time to look at the smoke fluid and see if it actually needs it, okay? 'Cause I'm pretty sure it needs it. Let's look at the smoke fluid real quick. Dad put some batteries in the controller. We'll go ahead and we will plug this back in. Everything has light again, right? So we're going to turn on our controller. And it's connected.
Nice. Disconnects right away.
Nice. So, let's see. Voice commands. That's awesome. That's Tom Hanks, the character in the movie.
Yeah. The color.
This is the Polar Express.
Okay, buddy. Go ahead and operate it real slow. And I believe the sounds are different when the train is in motion.
Ooh.
Whoa.
It's on the wild and it's over.
You see it's chuffing a little bit of smoke.
Oh yeah.
Nice. What else does he say? That's so awesome.
Nice. There's the steam.
Yeah, so it chuffs a little bit of smoke, but not too much. That's really cool. You see the chuff a little more when he's just
Yeah,
kind
there it is.
of going at a slow creep. Is that cool or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can operate it with the Lion Chief system, that the controller that it comes with, and then also you can use the Lion Chief app on an iPad or on an Android device.
So now.
Yeah, it's a nice. It rides the rails really nice and quiet. Got some of the characters on the roof. Pretty cool. That's excellent. Go ahead and see what it does full speed, buddy. I think it's a heavy die cast. Go ahead, let it rip.
A lot
Do a
more,
really good job of controlling the train there, buddy.
a lot more smoke comes out when it's a little bit faster.
Yeah, when it's chucking a little bit.
Yeah.
It goes faster.
How do you like that size? You like it?
So
Do you like that
awesome.
size train?
Yeah.
Really easy to control, right?
What else does the remote do, Evan?
Yeah, it's just a Lion Chief controller. So, and I believe most of their Lion Chief, they all come with their own controls. So, then you also have an app.
Yeah, that you can download.
Would you like to try that, buddy? You want to try it on the iPad?
We can try the app.
Same thing?
But it's on the iPad, it's different. I think there's different controls. So, you can do all your... Yeah.
Can I watch the screen?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Ava.
Of course you can. So it looks like it's got a microphone. I'm not sure what that
It's going well.
is. Oh, it's at house.
Oh, it's slow down.
Yeah. Is that cool, Ava? You sit and watch the train, little girl. That's
Cool.
It doesn't go.
speed limit, so you can actually control the speed and stuff with it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it'll actually, so the kids can't go too fast. But it's still pretty, you know, but it's got low, medium, high momentum. Smoke, you can adjust that. You can turn your smoke on and off from here too.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You can pretty much control everything.
Yeah.
Get away.
What is that L?
So, what's this? Let's see. Speech recognition. Access the microphone.
Okay.
Merry Christmas! Yes, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. We'll have to mess with it a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's doing now. Oh. There we go.
There we go.
I am king of the North.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working, but it doesn't. Whatever.
Yeah,
That's a
I'm not
blooper.
sure.
We could mess with that. You could actually say things, and then the train will say it too.
Oh, yeah. We'll have to figure out how to.
We'll mess with it a little bit more. Ava likes the ornament the best.
Yeah.
Ava likes the ornament the best.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think of that? Is that cool?
I am king of the North.
Let's get in my face.
Yeah, so it smokes, but it's not too much smoke. Is that cool? So, pretty much all the Lion King stuff. You can control it, yeah. Ava's got the bell. Where's the other characters, buddy? Can I put them on here?
This is the Polar Express.
You gotta look for the little pegs. I think the safest bet's on the car. It looks like on the front of the train there's a couple. This is good. Alright, take them for a spin. So that's your basic Polar Express from Lionel. That's a really nice, it's a limited edition set. It's limited to 1,500 pieces.
Wow. That's all.
The best gift of Christmas.
That'll be nice around the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Yeah, the app's easy enough for kids to
Yeah.
navigate.
Yeah, so Tom Hanks, he speaks a little different when the train stopped and from when the train's moving. Did you like that, little girl?
This is the Polar Express. All aboard.
Ava likes that.
This is the Polar Express.
Teacher. Can't wait, just put it under the tree. Kids are gonna love it on Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
The best gift of Christmas.
It's okay. And you can turn the smoke off.
There you go.
There you go. That way there's no smoke.
Nice. And you can go back, click the X button.
I think that's your speed control. Yeah, so you just hit X.
And then you can still run the train.
Press it.
Push the horn. Oh, she loves that. It's the bell.
Press it. Press it.
I am king of the North. I am king of the North. I am king of the North.
Keep saying he's the king.
Yeah. Well, if you go faster, I think if you change the speed, he says different things.
I am king
Like stop it. If you stop the train, it says something totally different.
all aboard.
There you go.
Oh,
Oh, your mom.
All
Alright, so then once you get going again, I think he asks for tickets. That's a nice set.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You do that bell, Ava? Yeah. Fun, huh?
He likes that.
Yeah, and that's as fast as they go with that speed setting. So that's kind of neat.
Yeah. You can actually let smaller kids play with it
Yeah.
because you can
it's by
control how
itself, it's
fast
not
it
real
goes.
loud. You can turn the sounds off.
Tickets, please.
So how do you like that compared to the other trains? You like that? Yeah. Yeah, I think the other trains are actually kind of like almost a little hard for you. And you know what's cool about? Remember, like you go to the hobby shop, you've seen like Hot Wheels train cars. Yeah, like that fits this. You know. Is that cool?
I wonder if we could like actually put like Hot Wheels cars in there.
I think some of their cars, yeah.
It's going slowly. Now it goes faster.